We did it, boys. Boredom is no more. So I finally got the PS5 in my hands. I've been wanting this for so long now, but just couldn't find it anywhere, but I finally got it, and just in time because today is Christmas Day and this was under my Christmas tree. So let's unbox this, let's see what's in the box, and let's see what the hype is all about. Alright, so first things first, there's a little tape back here. I think this side. Alright. And I believe this just comes off the top. Like so. See a smaller box inside. Let's just put this onto the side right here. Got a smaller box inside. I think open it from up here. See, with the PS5, I also got a couple games as well. I got Battlefield 2042. Don't shame me, please. And we also just got like a new TV for the PS5 just to complement it, and yeah, this should be a lot of fun to play with. So first things first, we do get the DualShock controller, the white DualShock controller right here. Looks pretty good. I can't wait to test out the new haptics that comes on it. I want to play that. I forgot what the game is called, but it really tests the haptics, and yeah, this already feels really good. And also USB-C charging as well, which always a win. Set that off to the side right there. Let's see, we got some paperwork just about quick starting, safety as well. Set that off to the side. We got a power cable. And now, let's actually take this out of the box. And in here, there's also a little USB-C cable. And, let's see, I think this is an HDMI cable. And this does support HDMI 2.1. Which allows for 4K gaming at 120 frames per second, which will completely complement my new Sony X90J TV. And I think this is a stand to hold it horizontally. These are like the accessories. Now, let's take the actual PS5 out of the box. All its glory, it's wrapped in some plastic or some paper-like material. Alright, how am I gonna do this? Alright, that's the top. That's the bottom. This thing is not light, I will say that. Here it is, the PS5 in all of its glory and its hype. Oh my goodness! This will make an amazing thumbnail photo. But yeah, holy, this thing is huge. Jeez. Jesus Christ. And there's so many ports at the back. I can't wait to start playing with this. And I also got I was lucky enough to get the disc version as well. So yeah, definitely playing a lot of games, spending a lot less time on homework. And yeah, that's pretty much it. really hope I don't like break this when I bring it upstairs. This is the PS5 with the controller, all the cables, and in all its glory. So yeah, this is completely unscripted, so I'm literally not really sure what to say, but thanks for sticking to the end of the video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.